So one of the things that all spreadsheet apps can do is create different types of charts so you can visually see numbers and how they relate to each other. So here's a very simple little table. I have a title, sales data. I've got some items here. I've got some numbers here. Let's call this sales. And I want to make a chart of this. So one way I could do it is I can click the chart button and insert a new chart. I'm going to use the first one here, a 2D chart, and click on that and it will insert it. And it just has some fake data in there. It's actually even a little faded out to show that there's no real data there. And there's a button for Add Chart Data. I'll click on Add Chart Data and now it says select cells in any table to add data to this chart. I can go up to this table here and I can click and drag over the selection of cells. So note I'm doing it over the cells that have the numbers in them. I'm not worrying about the stuff that's in the header column and header row. I am just getting the numbers themselves. And I release and I notice the chart has been updated here and it includes the labels here from the column on the left. It includes the numbers going from 0 to 700 because it's figured out that's the range. And it even took the word sales here from the header for that column. And it's placed each bar in its place there. So I have a chart now. Now I could have done this a different way. So let me go and I'm going to delete this chart completely. And instead I'm going to select the numbers in advance. So I'm going to select these 5 numbers here. And then I'm going to hit Chart and put the bars up there. It did exactly the same thing. So by making your selection first and then creating the chart, it will automatically do it. I'm going to delete it again and I could even select the entire table. So I've clicked on the handle here at the top left and now I'll do chart and it will also create the chart. So it figures out what you want based on your selection. Another thing I want to show you is that charts, like formulas, will automatically update. So if I say, oh wait a minute, that's the wrong number for pairs there. That should be 900. I enter 900 in there and you can see the chart automatically updates. Not only does it update pairs there, but now the scale stretches from 0 to 900 instead of 700. I could even update things like the names of things and headers and all of that, and the chart will automatically follow along with the table. I can also move the chart around just like I can another table, so I can position it like I want. I can resize it as I want as well. So that's the basics there of creating a chart from a little bit of data in a table.